Hey there, experiencing issues signing up on Cash App? You're not alone. Many users have encountered the dreaded Signup Restricted message during setup. Fear not, because today we'll cover everything you need to know on how to fix Signup Restricted in Cash App. Whether you're a new user or someone transitioning from another payment platform, we've got handy steps and tips to help you resolve the issue and get your account up and running without a hitch. Step 1. Verify your internet connection. Before diving deep into the technical fixes, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or fluctuating connection might cause registration errors. Double check that you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular signal. Once verified, reopen Cash App and try signing up again. Sometimes a simple reset of your connection is all you need to clear out any temporary glitches. Step 2. Ensure your information is accurate. Cash App requires users to enter personal information to create an account. Double check that you're entering accurate details like your phone number, email address, and other identification. Simple typos can lead to sign-up restrictions. Also, ensure that the email and phone number have not been previously associated with another Cash App account. If they are, you'll need to use fresh, unlinked information. Step 3. Update Cash App and your device. An outdated version of Cash App could cause functionality issues. Head to your App Store and check for updates for Cash App. While you're at it, ensure your device's operating system is also up to date. Outdated software might not support newer app features, leading to unexpected errors during the sign-up process. Step 4. Check for account ban or suspension. Sometimes previous account activities might cause restrictions on your new account setup. If you have previously triggered any security alerts or violations on a past Cash App account, this might carry over to your new sign-up attempt. In such cases, direct contact with Cash App support is advisable. They can provide specific details and assist with resolving ban-related or suspension issues if applicable. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If all else fails and you're still facing the Sign-Up Restricted message, it's time to reach out to Cash App's customer support team. They can offer more personalized assistance. Here's how. Open Cash App, select your profile icon, tap on support, and follow the prompts to contact them. Prepare to provide additional information about your issue and any error messages you encounter. Live chat or email could provide a resolution or insights into what's causing the restriction. Step 6. Stay informed with official updates. Cash App frequently updates its services, providing new features and security improvements. Stay informed about these updates, as they might address common sign-up issues over time. Follow Cash App's official channels, blogs, or social media networks to receive the latest information and updates. Fixing the sign-up restriction on Cash App can be as simple as verifying your information or updating your app, but sometimes it might require a bit more assistance from their support team. From ensuring stable internet connections, providing the correct personal details, updating software, and contacting support, we've got all the steps covered for you. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to accessing and enjoying all the features Cash App offers. Remember, patience and accuracy are key. Happy transacting and enjoy the seamless financial freedom that Cash App brings.